What's good with your world, y'all? This is Lyndon, founder of Germs Be Gone here in Las Vegas. Today I'm gonna give you the top 3 reasons to use liquid bleach. Number 1, you just wanna waste your money. Bleach only has a 3-month shelf life, at which point, even if you don't use it all, you gotta go buy more bleach. Besides that, bleach is only good for 24 hours once you mix it with water, which means that spray bottle that you mixed up last week, if you're still using it, you're not disinfecting, you're just spreading germs all over the place. Number 2, you just wanna waste your time. See, bleach requires a 5 to 10 minute dwell time, and that's after you clean the surface you're trying to disinfect. So first you have to clean, apply your bleach, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then come back through and wipe or rinse off. Should a kitchen countertop or anything else that you're trying to disinfect take 5 to 10 minutes to do that? I don't think so. Number 3, you just don't care about your health. Once bleach mixes with other chemicals, it can create toxic gases, which can lead to respiratory issues, cognitive issues, cancer even. But what might trump that is that bleach also kills the microflora community that we have around us that protects us from infection and disease. These are known as probiotics. Probiotics make up the majority of our immune system in our bodies. They also make up the immune system outside our bodies in the environment. So what better way to naturally clean and sanitize than using probiotics? There is none. So the top 3 reasons to use bleach: 1, you just want to waste your money. 2, you just want to waste your time. 3, you just don't care about your or your family's health. So what's the alternative? Germs Be Gone Probiotic Cleaners. Visit us today, germsbegone.com, to learn more. That's germs with a Z as in zero toxic chemicals. Peace.